Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install PostgreSQL on Windows 11 PC. So whether you are a college student or a beginner, then this video is very helpful for you. So let's get started. First, open any browser in your system. I am using Google Chrome and type here PostgreSQL and enter. Here you can see the official website of PostgreSQL. Click on it. Here you can see home, about and download. Click on downloads. After scrolling you can see package and installers. Select your operating system and family. So basically it is available for Linux, Mac OS and Windows and much more. So we will choose Windows. So click on Windows and here you can see download the installer. Click on it. Here you can see PostgreSQL version 17.5 and it is available for Linux 64-bit, Linux 32-bit and Mac OS, and it is also available for Windows 64-bit, but it is not supported by 32-bit. So we will choose 64-bit. So click on download and here you can see PostgreSQL.exe file now started for downloading. So let's wait. It will take a few seconds or few minutes because the file size is 344 MB. Once the file is downloaded, right click and open, minimize. Here you can see PostgreSQL installation is started. So click on next and here you can see installation directory. Please keep it default and click on next. Also you can see PostgreSQL server, PostgreAdmin 4, stack builder, command line tools. Here I will uncheck the stack builder and click on next. And also you can see data directory, program files, keep it default and next. Here enter your password. I'm using my password and please remember this and click on next. Here you can see port number is 5432. Leave it default and click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. And now installing is started. So it will take a few minutes. So let's wait. Once installation is done, click on finish. And here click on start and search pgadmin and double click open. Now you can see interface of pgadmin. Click on server and click on expand and enter your password and save password. Click on OK. Here you can see default databases. Now I am going to create a new database. Click on database and right click, create database. Here write your database name and save. Now you can see my database is visible here. So that's it. PostgreSQL is now installed on your Windows 11 system. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Thank you guys.